Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syazwan, and for this assignment for management for engineers NMJ 31603, our title will be Intelligent IoT based healthcare monitoring. So here is our group members. Me, myself, Muhammad Syazwan, with my matrix number 211151319. And my members is Muhammad Lutfil Hadi with his metric numbers 2111532449. The project introduction. Internet of Things has widely been used in the industry, including the healthcare industry, in the analysis and diagnosis of a doctor following system of physical sensors. It has been able to discern between health data thanks to the introduction of IoT. Reducing the maintenance burden and increasing healthcare chances are the two key advantages of IoT in healthcare. So some of the devices that use the IoT in healthcare, such as wearable fitness trackers and smartwatches, continuous glucose monitors, or we call it as CGMs, smart blood pressure monitors, and smart thermometers. The problem statement for our project is we can take the latest issue like the epidemic COVID-19 issue. The world has taken healthcare as important. It is such a good step where people can monitor this patient using remote health monitoring technology. So, Internet of Things best health monitoring system is the current solution for it. Remote patient monitoring arrangement enhance observation of patient outside the customary clinical setting, for example at home, which expand access to human services office and bring down expenses. So our objective for this project is to design and develop a smart patient health tracking system that tracks patient health using sensors and notifies loved ones of any problem via the internet. By lowering doctor visits, hospital stays, and diagnostic testing procedures, monitoring system development aims to lower healthcare expenditures. Our bodies employ their own means of measuring temperature and pulse to assess our overall health. To monitor the status, the sensors are connected to a microcontroller which is then interfaced to an LCD screen. So the scope and limitation for this project is the intelligent IoT-based healthcare monitoring system scope includes sending data to a centralized system for analysis, employing wearable sensors to continuously monitor vital signs in real time, and using machine learning algorithm to identify abnormalities and produce health reports. It makes remote healthcare service possible by giving medical personnel access to patient data for online consultation and diagnostic. However, the initiative has drawbacks, including possible data inaccuracies from malfunctioning sensors, dangers related to privacy and security, and technological difficulties with system scalability and network stability. The necessity for system usage training and privacy concerns could impede user adoption. More difficulties arise from regulatory and legal complications, especially when it comes to telemedicine and cross-border service. So here is our organizational chart. The CEO for our company will be Tengku Iskandar bin Tengku Mikael, and the project manager is me myself Muhammad Shazwan. And for our finance staff is Ifran Jibril bin Noah, our software engineer Intan Sofia binti Johan Albach, Lutfil Hadi bin Muhammad Zaim will be our R&D engineer, and Lokman Musa bin Haji Isnan as our human resource.
My name is Muhammad Lutfil Hadi bin Muhammad Zaim. My matrix number 2111532449. This is role and responsibility. For Chief Executive Officer, the highest officer in charge with the management of an organization. For Project Manager, organize and lead the team, monitor the project's progress, establish deadline, deal with deal with unanticipated issues, ensure the satisfaction of stakeholder, and evaluate the project's performance, as well as the member of their team. For finance, organize and oversees tasks pertaining to money. They prepare financial account, design long-term financial objective, strategies, and plan and oversee spending initiative. For software engineer, they in charge of the creation, delivery, and implementation of online and software projects. They ensure that all software projects are completed successfully, addition to managing the project personnel. For R&D engineer department, responsible for carrying out the required research, organ, organizing, and in new protocol and program within the organization. For human resource, focus on managing an organization most valuable asset, its employees. This is a key task. Requirement gathering analysis. To collect user requirement, analyze system needs, document requirement. For the system design, it's develop system architecture, design data models, create technical specification. For technology stack selection, evaluate and select appropriate technologies, tools, and frameworks. For the activity data collection and pre-processing, collect data from various sources, clean and pre-process data, ensure data quality. For the algorithm development, develop and implement machine learning algorithm, finds through models, evaluate models performance. For system integration, creates APIs, integrate the intelligent system with the current infrastructure and make sure that all of the parts communicative with one another seamlessly. For the user interface development, design and develop user interface, ensure usability and accessibility, perform user testing. For the testing and quality assurance, develop test plans, conduct various testing phase, unit integration, system user acceptance, ensure system reliability. For the deployment and implementation, prepare deployment environment, deploy system to production, ensure smooth transition and minimal downtime. For the maintenance and support, monitor system performance, handle user support requests, perform regular update and improvement. This is table AON. We have 10 activities and the duration in month and the person in charge. This is AON network diagram based on AON table. We start from for A, for activity A, 1 month duration and float zeros. For D, 2 month duration and for float zeros. For B, 1 month duration and float is zeros. For C, 1 month duration and float is 10 month. For E, 2 month duration, float zeros. For G, 2.5 month duration and 1.5 float. For F, 2 month duration and 0 month for the float. And for H, 2.5. month duration, and for the float, 0. For I, 1 month duration and the 0 float. And for J, 0.5 month duration and float is 0. So we can see the critical part for the AON network diagram is start from activity A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J. For the duration critical part is 12 months. This is our budget. For the total amount budget is 150k ringgit Malaysia. For the wearable lot device, take 26.7%, data transmission and network 13.3%, cloud storage and computing service 16.7%, software development and integration 20%, security measure and compliance 6.7%, user training and support 6.7%, emergency response integration 3.3%, and contingency fund 6.7%. Thank you.